Sasikumar, the founder of Netvision Thiruvananthapuram. This is a solar power solution company. It's started on 2011. Still we are continuing with 12 years experience with ANERT, GEESYS and Renewable. We are doing residential projects also. We have already completed more than 7 megawatt projects in Kerala, across Kerala. Now, 2016 itself, we are using GEESYS products are supporting as a AJB, SEDB and all these things. Their engineering is very good quality of product and support. They are supplying in time in case of any difficulties. Their engineering difficulties comes across the project. They are back supporting us for the last 7 years. We are very happy with the products of GEESYS, and me myself and my customers also very happy.